and welcome back to my channel. I want to share with you just some tips and tricks on how to get the most out of packing a carry-on suitcase. Although I loathe packing, I do enjoy, oddly enough, watching packing videos on YouTube. Seeing people pack, it motivates me in a weird way. And if you're the same way, please give this video a thumbs up because we're the same. Step 1, plan. What I mean by planning is planning out each and every outfit, even down to the accessories, girl, like everything. You want to plan from the day that you get there to the day that you're leaving, what you will be wearing. If you have special events to go to, that's what you need to plan for. I promise you, it is like the best thing ever when you do plan, and it makes it so easy. So you get your calendar out, you mark the days that you're gonna be gone. Okay, I'm gonna be gone, this is just an example, from the 8th through the 10th. Just wanna see what you're doing, figure out what outfits you need for what event. Check the weather in the destination that you're gonna be at because that's gonna completely determine what you're gonna be wearing. What helps me is to actually take a picture of each outfit that I put together. Take out a ton of different outfits, different pairs of jeans, different shirts, all these different things, and take pictures in the mirror with them. Make sure you're packing versatile outfits that you can wear more than once, blouses that you can dress up. Just find different outfit combinations that you can mix and match. You can write it down, make sure you know exactly what you're wearing, or you can just take a picture. And I look back at my pictures and be like, okay, this is what I'm wearing on Tuesday, this is what I'm wearing on Wednesday, this is what I'm wearing on Monday. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Second tip, your outfit for the airport. Be smart and wear your heaviest items on your airplane. If you're going from a warm climate to a cold climate, wear your boots, wear your big old jacket. It may be uncomfortable for the time being, but in the long run, you're gonna have more space and you're gonna feel so much better. Tip number 3, roll your clothes. I like how folded clothes in a suitcase looks better than rolled clothes. But I've learned that it's more efficient to roll your clothes than to fold them, and I've tried this so many times, and believe me, if folding was the right way, I would do it. My 4th and final tip is invest in your travel gear. There are so many things out there that you can invest in to make your whole travel experience so much easier. You're packing everything just so much more simple. One thing is a carry-on suitcase. This is a suitcase that I use. I paid $40 for it at TJ Maxx. It was really not that expensive. What is really, really nice is that it has 4 wheels instead of just 2, so that you can roll it around in the airport instead of like dragging it. And that has proven to be so handy. Poor Yanni, he has an old suitcase that doesn't have 4 wheels on it, and he always looks at me and just is like, I'm just strolling around the airport with it and just like smiling at him like. You have a lot of pockets, as you can see, a lot of different pockets and compartments where you can zip things up, such as accessories, toiletries, everything like that, which is super nice. And then you have the covers for each compartment, which I like because you can zip this side up here. You can just zip that up, and you can clip this part over here to where whatever's in that side of the suitcase, it stays in there so that it's not colliding. Another thing that I've recently invested in that I found to be extremely helpful has been packing cubes. I chose the brand Eagle Creek because they had a lot of different options, one, and their credibility was just on point. They had great reviews. They seem legit. I got them from Amazon, and gosh, they come in different sizes, they come in different styles. They are amazing. I decided to go with black. If you are investing and traveling, this is something that you should invest in, especially if you're going to another country. This will help you pack very efficiently. And then another thing is it helps you stay organized in your suitcase because, I mean, look at how beautiful the suitcase looks. Look how beautiful it is. It's so organized, it's all in its place, and it helps you feel better once you get to your destination knowing, okay, I have my jeans in here, I got my underwear in there, I've got my shirts and blouses in there, everything is organized. Another awesome thing to invest in would be these little, I don't know what they're called, just cases. They look like big old pencil pouches. get some of these. They will save you. When I have a bag designated for specific items, I will keep those specific items in those bags, and when I'm ready to clean up, pack up, I can follow through because each bag is designated for something specific. This bag in particular, I had kind of made my hairstyling bag that it would contain hairspray, my hairbrushes, and then I also have an electronic bag just like this one. I keep all my chargers, I keep my headphones. I have 2 separate toiletry bags, this one, and each one contains something different for me. This is just how I like to keep organized. That is all that I have for tips and tricks for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please let me know. I do appreciate all your suggestions and all your comments and love. Thank you so much. I'm coming out with new videos, so just stay tuned. Thank you. I love you. Goodbye.